Welcome to The Explainer. This week, we're diving into gold's wild ride and what's next for XAU-USD.
Gold hit a record high, then plunged. So, what on earth is going on? Let's break it down.
All right, first up, let's just look at the absolutely crazy price action we've just seen.
Just last week, gold rocketed to a brand new record high, almost touching $5,600 an ounce.
But that didn't last long. A massive pullback slammed the price right back below $5,000.
And when you stack it up against other assets, you can really see just how wild these swings have been.
And that's the ticker XAU-USD. Pairing gold with the dollar makes it super sensitive to economic news.
So what's behind this roller coaster ride? Well, it really boils down to three key things.
We're talking about Federal Reserve policy, geopolitical drama, and something called real yields.
A big shakeup was a new Fed chair nomination. The market saw this as a sign of tougher policy ahead.
So, hawkish usually means a stronger dollar, and a strong dollar is typically bad news for gold. But there's a flip side. All the geopolitical tension is making investors run to gold for safety. Okay, that third factor is real yields, and this one is a huge driver for gold prices.
Basically, when real yields fall, holding gold becomes a much better deal. It's that simple.
All right, enough with the fundamentals. What are the charts telling us traders need to know?
Traders are glued to these levels. That $5,000 mark, that's the big line in the sand.
And you can see it here. As the price dropped, the big money started to back off their bullish bets.
And all this action is happening after a year of absolutely record-breaking demand for physical gold. Okay, so with all that said, what should you be watching for in the week ahead?
Well, long-term, the picture still looks pretty bullish. Some big banks see prices climbing even higher.
But in the short term, things are shaky. The market might just need to take a breather. So keep your eyes on these things: inflation data, Fed speak, any new headlines, and the dollar.
So that's the big question, right? Is this just gold catching its breath before the next